Hey, good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. It's time for our chart of the week. This week, we're going to be focusing on casino name Wynn Resorts. WYNN is the symbol. Let's take a look at the stocks having a big day here on Tuesday morning, and hopefully we can get a little bit of follow through here. So let's take a look at this chart. Higher highs, higher lows is the story with Wynn right now, and that is our textbook definition of an uptrend. We also see the MACD on a buy signal crossover here. Good, strong breadth and money flow on the chicken money flow down over here. Good relative strength as well. Let's take a look at that one right here, making higher highs, higher lows, running higher at a very steep angle, which tells us that there's probably more upside to go before it starts to turn back down. We did achieve the objective of getting over those May highs, which were about $99 and a half back in May. So we're above there on some really heavy volume so far this morning on Tuesday. But I think the stock has got some room to the upside. Let's figure out where it's going to go. So if you go back to the weekly chart, let's take a look at that for a minute here. Take a look at Wynn on the weekly, and you can see there's some targets there to the upside at about 115. Let's call it 115 and a half. And that's obviously a downtrend line over here, but still we see some upside potential here above that resistance line. And then ultimately probably back up to this 140 area. That could be a little bit later on this year. I do see some good volume again in the stock over the past several weeks, even going back to last fall, back October. Look at the strong volume over here. The stock was trying to carve out a base over here, and it did. And again, if it gets above this trend line over here, let's call it about 101, 102 right now, we're going to see some more upside with the stock. Again, probably back up to this 115 area before it starts to turn back down. But I really like the action. I really like the momentum here on Wynn. So take a look at this one, WYNN. Thanks so much.